everyone, welcome back to the English Web. Today's topic is one of my favorite topics. It's a vocabulary building exercise. So you may not call it exactly call it a vocabulary building exercise, but I would say I would be taking you all through some of the words that one expects you to know if you know the language. And so yeah, it's a vocabulary building exercise for those who haven't stumbled upon these words, and for those who already know these words, it's a revision. So let's get started. The first word is unforeseen. The meaning of unforeseen is unexpected. Something that you have not anticipated is unforeseen. So for example, if I have to use this word in the sentence, I would say the response to I could say the response that the movie got was unforeseen. It means it was not expected that the movie would get the response of the kind that it did. So it was unforeseen. The second word is tribulation. Tribulation is a hardship or a setback or a trial. So for example, if I have to use this word in a sentence, I could say John faced a lot of tribulation in his married life. He faced a lot of setbacks in his married life. So yeah, now moving on to the third word, which is alleviate. The meaning of alleviate is to make something less intense or severe. So for example, all he could do was ensure that her pain was alleviated and not aggravated. So he ensured that her pain became less intense. So that is about alleviate. Now coming to the next word, which is bolster. Now the meaning of bolster is to strengthen something. So you kind of, if I have to use this word in a sentence, I could say taking her away on a vacation would bolster her morale. It would just make her more strong. It would so it would just make her more strong. That is what you mean by the word bolster. And the last word is amateur. And I'm sure most of you, in fact almost all of you, would be aware of what this word means. The meaning of this word is you can call someone an amateur when he or she is an enthusiast. So you do something on a non-professional basis because you're passionate about it. For example, Amaya is an amateur golfer, which means that she's a non-professional golfer and she does it because she's enthusiastic about the game. So those were the 5 words. Unforeseen means something that is unexpected or not anticipated. Tribulation is a setback or a hardship. Alleviate is to make something less severe or intense. Bolster means to strengthen something. And amateur means an enthusiast or a non-professional. So yeah, I totally enjoyed taking you all through these words, and I hope you all keep reading and keep interacting with more people in English so that you all just get better with the language. And yeah, so that was it for today. I shall see you guys soon, and I hope you guys like the video, and please do not forget to like this video, comment below, do share and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys soon. Bye.